Hello friends. So welcome back to the part 2 of most important questions of differentiation. In the previous session we have seen problem with inverse trigonometry. Let's take a journey ahead. In today's session we will be seeing problem on implicit function. So what is implicit function? Implicit function, to understand this you need to understand first what is explicit function. So prior to this, whatever we have seen was y equal to all x type question, right? So if the question is y equal to all x, it is explicit. If the question has more than one y, so what will happen? You'll get more than one dy by dx. This type of questions are called as implicit function. So my question here is, if x power y equal to e power x minus y, prove that dy by dx is log x by 1 plus log x the whole square. But when you see this question, you see 2y. Okay, so you realize that either I have taken all the dy by dx together, or I have somehow managed to convert this implicit function question to explicit function question. Now what is the most important thing from teacher's point of view is whether you are capable of converting implicit function to explicit function or not. So I'll be taking couple of such question in today's session. Okay, so this is the first such type of question where we have, if x power y equal to e power x minus y. So what I'll do here is, now the first thing you need to realize is we have x power y equal to e power x minus y. Now left hand side is variable to the power variable, so the first thing which most of you will be able to think is taking log on both sides, right? So what I get here is log of x power y is equal to log of e power x minus y. So can we bring the power down? That's the basic property of log we use, right? I hope you remember that log of a to the power b can be written as b times log a. So I'm going to use this concept. So what will happen here is, this power y and this power x minus y, I can bring it down, and what I get in the next step is this: I get y times log x equal to x minus y times log e. Now at this step I just want you to understand that log e is very important thing. Value of log e is 1. So if I substitute value of log e as 1, what I get here is, I get x minus y times 1. This gives me x minus y in the right hand side. So what is left hand side? Left hand side is as it is. We have y times log x. Now as I discussed, I want to convert this implicit function to explicit function. So what I'll do here is, I'll just take this minus y on other side. So I get y plus y times log x equal to x. So if you observe, can we take this y common? Okay, if I take this y common, what exactly I get in the bracket? I get 1 plus log x equal to x. Now my question is, now in the next step is y equal to x by 1 plus log x. So the question which was implicit function, I converted into explicit function, because this question is now y equal to all x type, right? In right hand side we have only x and there is only one y. So this type of question is very frequently asked, because teachers like this simplification what we did. Okay, make sure you practice more such questions where we convert implicit function to explicit function. I'll be taking few more such questions in today's session. Observe this. So if I differentiate with respect to x, what will happen? Left hand side will be just dy by dx, and right hand side is basic u upon v or quotient rule, right? So what we get here is, keep 1 plus log x as it is, denominator as it is, derivative of numerator, derivative of x is 1, minus, now numerator as it is, x, derivative of denominator, 1 का derivative is 0, log x का derivative is 1 by x, everything divided by 1 plus log x the whole square. Just simplify कर लेते हैं इसको. So what I get here is, I get 1 plus log x, if I open this bracket, minus x into 1 by x, x is getting cancelled. So we get the answer, right? Problem is solved, because what we get next is we get 1 plus log x minus 1 upon 1 plus log x the whole square, cancelling out plus 1 minus 1. We are left with log x by 1 plus log x the whole square, and this is what we wanted to prove, right? We wanted to prove dy by dx as log x by 1 plus log x the whole square. Very easy question, provided you understand this is basic thing where we convert implicit function to explicit function. So if you like my method, please make sure you write down in the comment box. If you are new to the channel, do subscribe the channel and press that bell icon so that you get the notification as soon as I put the video. So this was question number 1 for today's session. Let's go to the question number 2 now. In question number 2, we have if x square root of 1 plus y times square root of 1 plus x equal to 0, very important thing, and x is not equal to y, then prove that dy by dx is equal to minus 1 by x plus 1 the whole square. Now again, if you observe in this question also, there are two places we have y and we want to find dy by dx. So again, this question, what I'll be doing is I'll be using the same technique, convert this implicit function to explicit function. So one thing you notice is this square root, if I can remove this square root somehow, what we can do is we can just simplify here and there something, and we can try to get y equal to all x type question, right? So I'll be using this, but at the same time I just want you to understand that somehow I have to use the condition x is not equal to y. What do you mean by x is not equal to y? That means x minus y is not equal to 0. Keep this in mind and let's proceed further. So we have, I'm writing down the question again. We have x times root 1 plus y. What I'll do is I'll just take this second part in the right hand side. So this is going to be equal to minus y times square root of 1 plus x. Why we did this? Because as we discussed, I want to get rid of that square root, right? So what I can do here is just squaring on both sides. What I get? We get x square 1 plus y minus y ka square will be y square 1 plus x. Now just open the bracket, simplify. Okay, observe how I am simplifying. So this is x square plus x square y. This is y square plus xy square. And if you observe, what we have is, I'm just trying to take all square terms together. So if I do this, I get x square minus y square equal to xy square minus x square y. So what I did is I just took x square y plus x square y on the other side, it became minus x square y, and I took plus y square on the other side, we got minus y square. Okay. Now we just need to simplify this, but how we can simplify this is very important. So what I'll do here is, if you observe, this is x minus y, x plus y. In right hand side I can take xy common, so in the bracket I get y minus x. So what I'm doing here is, in the right hand side I'm just taking from y minus x. If I take minus common, if I just take minus common, what I get is minus xy, inside the bracket it will be x minus y. So you must have realized why I have done this, because I'm going to cancel out x minus y from both sides, and this is possible. I write this is very important step. Since x is not equal to y, therefore x minus y is not equal to 0, so we can cancel x minus y from both sides. To cancel out, you have to ensure that that part is not equal to 0. So what is left? We are left with now x plus y minus xy. Now I want to get it converted to y equal to all x, right? So what I'll do here is, keeping this y as it is, minus xy on other side will be plus xy, and this plus x on other side will give me minus x. Now if you observe, we can take y common, right? We have y at two places. So if I just take y common, what I get in the bracket? I get 1 plus x equal to minus x. So my question is now y equal to minus x by 1 plus x. Again, what we have to do now is just simply apply u by v rule or the quotient rule, whatever you say. So if I simplify this, differentiate this very easily. So what will be dy by dx? Dy by dx will be, keep denominator as it is, derivative of numerator minus x ka differentiation will be minus 1, minus of minus x as it is, don't make plus minus mistake over there. Derivative of 1 is 0, derivative of x is 1. So I'm just writing 1 directly. Open the bracket in the next step here. Okay, so 1 plus x the whole square. If I open the bracket in the numerator, what I get is, this is going to be minus 1 minus x. Okay, I open the bracket, so this is going to be minus 1 minus x. यहाँ पे minus and minus plus हो जाएगा. So plus x. I hope everybody is with me. By 1 plus x the whole square plus x minus x getting cancelled. So we get minus 1 by 1 plus x the whole square, and this is what we wanted to prove. Okay. Very easy question. Again, I'm telling you, what we have done here is the initial simplification, that taking square on both sides and simplifying is the key to solve this question. So in today's session, again I'm repeating, I'm trying to make you understand how much important is the questions where what we do is we convert implicit function to explicit function. So this two question, what I did is I converted this two question by y equal to all x. Observe the next question. In next question is very interesting. Let me write down the question first for you. My question is, if this is my next question, if we have x time cos of a plus y is equal to cos of y, we want to prove that dy by dx is cos square a plus y, everything divided by sine of a. Now I want you to quickly observe this question very closely and realize that in this question we have only one x and there are two places y. So what I'm going to do here in this question is, I'm just going to convert this question equal to x equal to all y. Previous questions, what I did is I converted them into y equal to all x. This question I'm going to convert into x equal to all y, and towards the end I'm going to use the concept that dy by dx can be written as 1 by dx by dy. So we'll find dy by dx in two steps. First find dx by dy and then use the concept that dy by dx is nothing but 1 by dx by dy. But the first step, convert the question into x equal to all y. Observe कैसे करेंगे. So we have x, I'm just going to take this entire cos a plus y on other side. So what I get here is, I get this will be cos y, everything upon cos of a plus y. Now this question is x equal to all y, and I'm telling you the first step here is the most difficult one, that you need to realize that by converting into x equal to all y or converting into implicit to explicit, explicit भी कैसे किया हमने, x equal to all y किया. I'm stressing this again and again. फर्स्ट स्टेप अगर आ गया तो ये प्रॉब्लम बहुत इजीली सॉल्व हो जाएगा एग्जाम में. ठीक है. सो टेक इट फर्दर. डिफरेंशिएटिंग विथ रिस्पेक्ट टू वाई, यहाँ पे हम डिफरेंशिएटिंग विथ रिस्पेक्ट टू एक्स नहीं कर रहे हैं, डिफरेंशिएटिंग विथ रिस्पेक्ट टू वाई. एंड डिफरेंशिएटिंग विथ रिस्पेक्ट टू वाई में डेरिवेटिव वाई विथ रिस्पेक्ट टू वाई 1 होगा एंड डेरिवेटिव एक्स क्या होगा. सो डेरिवेटिव ऑफ एक्स लेफ्ट हैंड साइड में होगा dx by dy and right hand side is simple, again u by v rule. So what we get here is, keep cos of a plus y as it is. Derivative of cos y, I'm going to write in the bracket, is minus sin y. I hope this is clear to everybody. Next step में क्या करना है, minus, I'm just keeping cos y as it is, and now derivative of, we are going to do derivative of cos a plus y. What will be derivative of cos a plus y? We get minus sin a plus y. Okay, everything divided by cos a plus y. Now I'm just going to simplify numerator very smartly. Observe this. What I'm doing here is I'm just first of all taking minus common. Okay, if I just take minus common, what exactly will happen? Just observe this. Or what I can do is just let me first take this minus and minus is plus. So कैसे करेंगे? Observe कर लेना ये. Cos of a plus y, I'm just keeping minus here. Sin y, minus and minus is plus. I'm going to write sin a plus y first into cos y. Everything divided by cos of a plus y the whole square आना चाहिए था वहाँ पे. Cos of a plus y the whole square, v square, right? Denominator में v square आएगा, right? So what we go do here is I'm just keeping the denominator as it is. Cos of a plus y the whole square. थोड़ा simplify कर लेते हैं इसको. So I'm just going to write this first. So क्या हो गया ये? This is sin a plus y cos y minus cos a plus y sin y. Everything divided by cos of a plus y the whole square. Now observe karo, in the numerator I am having a concept of trigonometry. Is it? Observe this nicely. Just observe this. Don't you think this is sin a cos b minus cos a sin b type? Recall this. What is sin a cos b minus cos a sin b? This is nothing but equal to sin of a minus b, right? So I'm going to apply this concept. So what will happen in the numerator? My numerator will be sin of a minus b, right? So I get a plus y minus y, because my b is y. Everything divided by cos of a plus y the whole square. Plus y minus y getting cancelled. So this is nothing but sin a by cos of a plus y the whole square. But what we have found is dx by dy, and we have discussed this, right? Last step what I'll say is, but dy by dx is nothing but 1 by dx by dy. So what we get is 1 by sin a, everything divided by cos of a plus y the whole square. This will go in the numerator by simplifying. So what we get finally is cos of a plus y the whole square, everything divided by sin a, and that's the value of dy by dx. So in today's session we have seen only 3 questions, where what we did is convert implicit function to explicit function. This type of questions are very frequently asked in the exam. Make sure you practice them, write it down. As I say always, एक बार देख के लिखो, second time बिना देख के लिखो. If you can write at home without seeing, you will be able to write in the exam also without seeing. That's the way to learn it. Learn it in a way you can reproduce it very easily in the exam. Okay? Bye for now. Again, make sure if you have liked today's session, write in the comment box, and if you are new to the channel, subscribe it and press that bell icon so that you get notification of the videos as soon as I put on the YouTube. In coming months there will be a lot of revision. Make sure you do revision without wasting any time. Sit with a notebook and pen and learn it smartly. Bye for now. See you soon.